We'll be learning how we can use 7-zip to compress a folder. We will also be splitting the folder, so it'll be easier for you to send. Now I'm using Manjaro KDE. Manjaro KDE does have a feature where you can compress two like this and create a multi-volume archive. For some reason the latest update broke this, so it's not working. What I'm going to do is I'm going to now show you how you can use the command line. So this is the folder that we'll be compressing, and you can see that it is 2.6 gigabytes, and this is the command for it. Pay attention to -v250m. This right here, pay attention to this. You can put whatever value you want. I'm going to split it into 250 megabytes, and this is the name of the archive that you want to put in, and this is the folder that you want to compress, and the forward slashes, and there's a space in between because there's a space in the name of the folder as well. I'm going to hit enter, and now it will start compressing. When it's done, I'll show you the result. So you can see that this is the casino project folder, and if I go over here, you can see casino project backup. This is the first volume, and this is the second volume. So this has worked, and you can see 250 megabytes over here and 141.5 megabytes over here. 7-zip is good. And just for demonstration, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to unarchive this. We'll begin the unarchiving process like this. I'll say extract here, which is here, and extract archive here, and you'll see that the extraction will begin just like normal. And once it's done, you'll see that the files will be exactly the same as they were before. That's it. That's the end of the video.